What's up, guys? It's Jay. We are back in the shop, and today we're going to do a sort of a follow-up correction video for our power consumption test. One of our viewers said that basically the test we ran was okay, but it was under resting watts, and we need to put the saws under load. So we're going to do the test again. We're going to cut a variety of different woods. We got some just regular pine boards. We're going to try some plywood, maybe a 2x4, because we want to, give them a little load. We're going to rip some cherry and then maybe some black walnut. And we'll do the same exact test on each saw. Every board will be the same length. I'm just going to run a series of boards through, and then we're going to measure it, and hopefully we can get a better result. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that ringy thing, because that lets you know when a video drops. And we want to thank everyone for watching our last couple videos. The viewership is going up, which is awesome. So without further ado, guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, so I just got to cut these down quick on the chop saw because they don't fit my crosscut sled, and I'm just trying to make it as easy as possible. The crosscut sled is already on the Craftsman saw, so we're just going to cut these down. Make them all same size. We got a pine board. We're going to start with a 3/4 pine. Alright guys, so we're going to try it with Big Betty, pine board, and in the same order. They're all the same board, so here we go, see what we get. 3, 2, 1. Alright, pine board first. All right, guys, so I think we got an answer. Now the blades weren't brand new, so that is a variable in our test, but the results were that the rigid was 0.010, which was basically the resting watt result, which is interesting that it ripped through these boards and didn't even sweat. Betty, on the other hand, she was 0.016, so she was sweating a little, and that was only pine, plywood, and some old dried cherry cabinets. So I would dare to say that Betty is probably consuming more energy. All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the ringy thing. Let you know when we drop a video. And we got some more cool stuff coming up. So stick around, and we'll see you soon. Always create.